Let's talk today about semicolons. Semicolons can seem intimidating, but just like commas, there are very specific rules to guide us on when to use semicolons. In this example, a semicolon is used to separate two full sentences that are closely related. If you look, both have a subject and a verb. I have and I can't go. So we have a subject and a verb on both sides of the semicolon, letting us know that both sides of the semicolon have complete sentences. In this second example, we have two complete sentences that are closely related, and after the semicolon, you have a word such as therefore and however. And our third example is to separate items in a list when each item in the list or some of the items in the list contain commas. If we just separated these items in a list with the commas, it would become confusing. So we use the semicolon between each item on the list to make it clear where one item ends and the next item begins.